How to delete recall snapshots in Windows 11. Windows Recall takes encrypted snapshots of your screen to help you quickly revisit previously viewed content. But while it's convenient, it can also raise privacy, compliance, and local storage concerns. If you want to delete your recall snapshots, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through different ways to manage recall. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites to keep in mind. Turning on Recall gives you a timeline of your screen activity, making it easy to revisit past pages. But keep in mind, screen snapshots can conflict with compliance policies and take up valuable storage space. That's why it's important to configure Recall properly to match your organization's needs. Before you start, make sure your system has the Windows April 25th, 2025 update, KB 505-5627 or later. Windows Copilot Plus. Method 1. Delete Windows Recall snapshots via settings. Recall snapshots can pile up fast, eating into your storage. You can modify this right from your settings, which is ideal for clearing all locally saved snapshots within a user's account. To do this, open the Windows Settings app by pressing Win+I. Find and select Privacy and Security, and then click Recall and Snapshots. Expand the Delete Snapshots dropdown using the chevron symbol. Press Delete All beside Delete All Snapshots. Once prompted, confirm the deletion process. Method 2. Delete Windows Recall snapshots from a specific time frame. This method lets users delete specific snapshots while keeping the rest of their recall history intact. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, Recall and Snapshots. Expand Delete Snapshots. Under Delete Snapshots from a specific time frame, choose a range. You can choose from past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Then click Delete Snapshots and confirm. Method 3. Adjust maximum storage duration for recall snapshots. You can set Recall to automatically delete old snapshots after a set time, keeping a balance between saving and clearing data. To do this, open Settings, Privacy and Security, Recall and Snapshots again. Find and select Maximum Storage Duration. Here, you can set a snapshot retention limit based on your preference. You can choose 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, or unlimited. The change will apply immediately, so you can close the Settings app after choosing one. Managing recall snapshots helps keep your setup compliant with privacy and storage rules. We've shown you how to configure it to match your organization's policies and your workflow. For more information, check out our official blog post on deleting Windows Recall snapshots linked in the description below.